Kuham, I'm cooking. Kuham. Kuhaš, you are cooking. Kuhaš. Što kuhaš? What are you cooking? Što kuhaš? Kuham ribu, I'm cooking fish. Kuham ribu. Što kuhaš? What are you cooking? Kuham burek. Love burek. Kuham burek. Kuham sarmu, I'm cooking sarma. What a lovely dish. Sarma, sarmu. It's a cabbage dish. Kupus is cabbage in Croatian. It's a masculine noun. Juha is a feminine noun and it means soup. But it changes to juhu in the accusative case. Što kuhaš? What are you cooking? Kuham juhu. I'm cooking soup. Kuham juhu. Što kuhaš? What are you cooking? Kuham. I'm cooking. Kuham. Subscribe.